Imagine preparing day and night for one of the most competitive exams in the country, and when the big day arrives, your future depends not just on your performance, but also on which shift you are allotted. Yes, we are talking about NEET PG 2025, and once again, the controversy is heating up. With just 18 days left for NEET PG 2025, students are once again raising a major concern. Why is this crucial exam being conducted in two shifts? The National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences plans to hold the exam in two sessions, and students fear the normalization process might not do justice. But for thousands of NEET PG aspirants, a single mark can make the difference between their dream branch and a branch they never asked for. This time, the issue has reached the highest court of the land. Several students have filed petitions in the Supreme Court challenging the two shift exam format and demanding a single shift exam without normalization. A bench led by Chief Justice B.R. Gawai and Justice A.G. Masih has agreed to list the matter shortly, bringing new hope to lakhs of medical aspirants. Across India, social media has turned into a battleground of emotions and appeals. Doctors and students flooded X, formerly known as Twitter, with hashtags like no normalization and single shift NEET PG. Even one mark can cost us our dream branch. This is about fairness, not just qualifying. Please don't play with our future. Many are tagging the PMO and even questioning whether the Health Minister Shri JP Nadda is aware of the depth of the issue. Not just students, even national organizations have stepped in. The Federation of All India Medical Association has officially written to the Executive Director of NBMS urging for a single shift exam to uphold transparency and equality. But till now, there has been no positive response from the authorities. So, where do things stand? Two petitions are pending in the Supreme Court, students are anxiously waiting for the hearing, and NEET PG admit cards are set to release soon. If the court rules in favor of the students, it could set a strong precedent for fairness in competitive exams in India. What do you think? Should NEET PG 2025 be held in one shift? Is the normalization process fair for such a high stake exam? Tell us in the comments. And if you believe in fair exams for all, like, share, and subscribe to Coach Minister for more such updates from the medical world because your voice matters and together we can make it heard.